Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to export emails using the SendGrid API. Now, this is perfect if you need to extract emails for backup, analytics, or migration purposes. First, log into your SendGrid dashboard and navigate to Settings. Click on API Keys. If you don't have an API key yet, create one and make sure it has full access permissions. Next, open your terminal or command prompt and use a tool like curl or postman to make an API request. Here's an example of how you can export emails using Python. This script will retrieve your contact list via the SendGrid API. You can then manipulate or export this data as needed. That's it for this one. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more API tutorials. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.